Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of culinary delights. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of flavors with the irresistible honey garlic chicken. Get ready to uncover some intriguing unknown facts about this beloved dish. So, let's get started. Before we embark on our honey garlic adventure, let's take a moment to understand the roots of this delectable dish. Honey garlic chicken is a fusion of flavors, blending influences from various cuisines across the globe. Now, let's uncover some lesser-known facts about honey garlic chicken. Contrary to popular belief, the origin of honey garlic chicken can be traced back to North America, particularly to Chinese-Canadian cuisine. This dish gained popularity in the 1970s and has since become a staple in many Chinese restaurants. The combination of honey and garlic in this dish creates a harmonious balance of flavors. The sweetness of honey enhances the natural umami of the chicken, while the pungent notes of garlic add depth and aroma. Honey garlic chicken is often made by marinating chicken pieces in a flavorful mixture of honey, soy sauce, garlic, and sometimes additional ingredients like ginger or chili flakes. The marinated chicken is then pan-fried, baked, or grilled to perfection. While I won't be demonstrating the cooking process today, rest assured that preparing honey garlic chicken is relatively simple. With the right ingredients and a little bit of technique, you can enjoy this mouthwatering dish in the comfort of your own kitchen. Now, let's talk about the delightful flavor experience that awaits you. Honey garlic chicken is a taste sensation that delights the palate. The caramelized glaze, enriched with the sweetness of honey and the savory essence of garlic, coats each tender piece of chicken, creating a burst of flavors with every bite. That's a wrap on our exploration of honey garlic chicken. We've unraveled its origins and discovered some fascinating facts about its flavor profile. I hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey with us. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite chicken dishes and any other intriguing food topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!